Opportunities about how to make money, or let's just say how to make money out on the internet, are like sand in the ocean. Opportunities is not most likely what you're after. You're after a workable system which is sure. Now, nothing exists in 100% sure. You're after a workable system which has a hell of a good chance of making it, which from the get-go is duplicatable, where from the get-go you don't have to slave yourself like in a medical or dental practice. This is most likely what you are looking for. If you are looking for something like that, keep watching the video. If not, I do definitely wish you a wonderful life, and you most likely already have one. Doctors, ladies and gentlemen, for 30 years I've consulted doctors and dentists in private practice to help them growing their practice, to help them making more money, to help them making more free time. The free time actually for almost all of them is as and more important than the money. Many doctors make okay money to be okay, just don't have the time to spend it with family and for other things they personally cherish. The internet is an way of having a systematic way of doing it. Don't look even at it as an opportunity. Look at it as nothing is as duplicatable as the internet. Nothing is as scalable as the internet or the whole, business in the internet. There are so many opportunities that if you look at opportunities, you'll just get confused. It doesn't matter because they're all really one and the same. Do business on the internet. What does business mean? Business means have a product or a service and move it, have somebody buying it. That's it. We're here in marketing since 30 years. So very obviously, our internet system will include for you to help other people to market their products. And after you talk to us for about 50 minutes, 60 minutes, whether you like it enough to enroll with us and say, my life will be better if I do this. Because that is the cognition, the realization you will need to get to work with us. Our program is not the cheapest program in the world, but cheap and enormously profitable, enormously valuable are two completely different things. If you compare it, for instance, to the stock market, where one, in order to make $10,000 a month, needs 1.2 million in the stock market at a 10% return, which is not guaranteed, not saying, but let's assume a 10% return. Most people consider it quite all right on a steady basis. 1.2 million, 10% is $120,000. That's for a year, divided by 12 is $10,000. A fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of that will make you $20,000, $30,000, and $50,000 a month on the internet. People do not become like Jeff Bezos for nothing, and he's just the guy. But he probably has made more millionaires than any other person, not only with Amazon. We are not dealing Amazon. If you never buy with us at this moment, you will look at the way to make money on the internet in a different way for an enormous system of making more extra passive income, which will not stop. Not in your lifetime. I don't care how young you are. It will not stop. And this is a type of business which children and grandchildren or anybody for that much would just continue because, frankly, it runs. All right, doctor, give us a call. You just might like it, and you just might realize that it would be a mistake not to participate in something which is so obvious. You will love what you learn, and you will look at this whole world of doing business a little different, and as you go along, you will notice certain things and you will be more aware of it, and thus you'll be able to act on it. So this 60 minutes appointment, regardless whether you sign up with us or not, will be one of your best 60 minutes you have spent. Give us a call.